Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One morning, as the bananas were coming down the stairs...
Oh dear, I think I've got a case of the B2.
Oh dear. What do you do to get rid of the...
I don't know, B2.
Oh, perhaps the teddies know.
A good idea.
So the bananas went next door to the teddies.
What was that?
It's only us, Amy. B1's got a bad case of the... And we wondered if you knew how to fix them.
Oh, poor B1. The only way I know to fix hiccups is to take a deep breath and jump up and down as hard as you can.
Are you sure it'll work, Amy?
Works for me every time.
Anything's worth a try. Ready, B1?
Then take a deep breath and start jumping. This'll get rid of them. You wait and see. There you go. Works every time.
How do you feel, B1?
Perhaps it only works for teddies. I'll go and find Morgan, see if he can think of anything.
Amy found Morgan in the park.
Oh, Morgan, there you are.
What's the matter, Amy?
B1's got the hiccups, and we need to do something to stop them.
There's only one way to get rid of hiccups.
Yeah, and what's that?
So Morgan told Amy his plan.
Oh, really? Are you sure that'll work?
Always works for me.
Oh, but how are we going to do it?
Well, we'll need a few things to do it properly. To start with, something to go on my head.
Oh, I've got just the thing. Morgan, are you coming?
Meanwhile, B1 still had the hiccups.
Oh, whatever are we going to do, B1?
Hi, bananas.
Hello, Lulu.
What was that?
Do you know how to get rid of the hiccups, Lulu?
Oh, of course. The only way to get rid of the hiccups is to stand on your head and drink a glass of water very, very slowly.
Well, if it's the only way... Well done, B1. You didn't spill a drop.
You can stand up now, B1, and your hiccups will be gone.
Oh, thank you, Lulu.
I can't understand it. It always works for me.
Don't worry. Morgan and I will get rid of your hiccups. All you have to do is open the front door.
Open the door? How will that stop my hiccups?
You'll see.
Anything's worth a try, B1.
Yes. Just open the door, B1.
It's all right, bananas. It's only me.
Oh, Morgan, you gave me a fright.
That was the idea, B1, to frighten away your hiccups.
Has it worked?
I'm not sure.
Say something.
1, 2, 3,
4.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All King's horses, all the King's men couldn't have to get it again. It works!
Well done, Morgan.
What about that, B2? My hiccups have gone.
Morgan gave me such a fright. It's given me the...
Oh, no.
Here, look. You've got to stand on your head and drink a
These two, take a deep breath. That's right, and jump up and jump those. Take a deep breath. And then walk into the door. Take a Just right there. Then you stand just concentrate. Please. You can jump. That's right.
pajama wears.
One day, while Morgan was in the Rat in a Hat's shop, something special caught his eye.
This is a beautiful carpet, Rat. It'd look great in my bedroom.
Oh, that's a very special carpet, Morgan.
Special? What's special about it?
Oh, it's, magic.
Magic? Really?
Oh, yes. You sit on that carpet and say the magic words, and off it goes, flying around the room, taking you anywhere you want to go.
Are you sure?
Oh, Morgan, trust me, I'm a rat.
Oh, can I have a go then?
No, it's only magic when you own the carpet. You have to buy it first.
Well, if it really is magic...
Morgan bought the carpet and took it home. He was so proud to have a magic carpet, and he couldn't wait to see it fly.
Abracadabra, carpet, fly! Oh, dear. I'm sure I could make it work if only I could find the right magic words. Alakazam, carpet fly. Oh, dear.
Hello, Morgan.
Hello, Bananas.
What's wrong, Morgan?
Oh, I've got this magic carpet, but I can't make it fly.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's trick time.
The Bananas felt sorry for Morgan because they knew his magic carpet wouldn't fly, so they thought up a plan to make him think it was flying.
Morgan, to make a magic carpet fly, first you have to put on a blindfold so that you can't see.
A blindfold?
Oh, yes. The magic doesn't work if you're peeking.
Well, all right.
And then you say the magic words. Abracadabra, alakazoo, carpet fly around the room.
Oh, it's working! The carpet is magic! I'm flying! I'm flying!
Morgan couldn't see that it was the Bananas who were making the carpet fly, and he had a really exciting ride.
What's happened?
You've landed again, Morgan.
Oh, that was so exciting! Did you see me flying? Oh,
Well,
I wonder if my magic carpet will work outside in the park. I'm not quite sure what the right words are for making magic carpets fly outside, so I'll make some up.
Bananas, whatever are you doing?
Oh, shush. Quiet, Amy. Let's like a trick and make it fly. Don't tell him.
Morgan, it's Amy. I've come to see you fly above the trees this time.
Amy, this magic carpet can take me flying anywhere. All I have to do is say the right words. Ahem. Alakazam, alakaziz, carpet fly through the trees. Oh, see, Amy, I'm up in the sky. Oh,
Morgan, come back. You're going too close to that tree.
I'm flying through the trees.
The Bananas thought Amy's trick was so funny, they started to laugh so much they nearly dropped the table.
I saw that, you trickers. I really thought I was flying.
We're sorry, Morgan. We knew your carpet wasn't really magic.
But we wanted you to have an exciting ride all the same.
Hello, Bananas. Hello, Teddies.
Hello, Rat. Would you like a ride on my magic carpet?
Oh, it's not really magic. Oh, is it? I won't fall off, will I?
Believe me, Rat, you'll love it. Alakazam!
Alakazee,
Carpet fly over the sea!
Jesus, Whiskers! I'm flying! How do I stop this thing? Morgan, I'm getting antsy. I want to get up!
Hey, better get up,
Morgan!
Lulu had spent the morning making a sandcastle on the beach.
Nice sandcastle, Lulu. Oh, very, very nice sandcastle, Lulu. Oh, wait, B1.
Thank you, Bananas.
Amy and Morgan were playing catch.
Yay! Hey, good catch, Morgan. Now, throw me a really big one.
Okay. Sorry, Amy.
Don't worry, Morgan. I'll get it.
Amy, watch out! Oh, no. Oh, no.
What, Lulu?
Oh, Amy, my sandcastle, you ruined it.
Oh, sorry, Lulu. I didn't see it.
Oh, Amy, now I'll have to build it up all over again.
I'm sorry, Lulu. I'll be more careful. Next time. Got it, Morgan!
Oh, dear.
Quick,
Okay,
Amy,
I
come
got
on.
it.
Quick,
I got it.
pass it to me, now.
And big one.
Whoa. Oh, get it, Amy. It's over here, Amy.
No.
Morgan, watch out!
What's the matter, Lulu?
My sandcastle. Be careful.
Oh, sorry, Lulu.
Be very, very careful, Morgan. Easy. That's it.
Whoops.
Oh.
Sorry, Lulu. I got it, Amy.
So Lulu put up a string around her sandcastle with a sign too.
There. Now everyone will know not to walk here.
Pass it this way, Amy. Oh, no, not again, Amy.
If you go around... Morgan.
No, I can reach it.
Morgan,
It's almost there.
no. That sign means keep off.
Oh, then we'll have to leave it here, Amy.
Hello, Amy. Hello, Morgan. What's the matter?
Our ball's stuck on Lulu's castle and we can't reach it.
Hold my hand, B1. Yes. I've got an idea. Now.
Careful, Bananas.
You hold my hand, B2. Yes. Here. Okay. Oh, dear. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1? I think I am, B2. It's ball rescue time.
The Bananas built a little bridge so they could reach the ball without messing up Lulu's castle.
Well, I'll get it, B1.
Oh, be careful, B2.
Dear. Don't move, B2. I'll get you out of there. Thank you, B1. Take my hand, B2. Don't pull, B2. Don't push. Dear. Help me up, B2. Trying to, B1.
But the Bananas' plan didn't work at all. Lulu's castle was ruined.
Sorry.
Careful, Bananas. Lulu's sandcastle.
Get up there.
What have you done?
We're sorry, Lulu. It was our fault. But we can all help you fix it up again.
Thank you, Bananas.
So everyone helped Lulu build up her castle again.
Lots of sand. I'll put some in the bathtub. There was 2 houses on that side and 2 here. Just there. Easy now. Oh, come on, everyone. Let's jump.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One evening, there was a street fair in Cuddles Avenue. The Rat in a Hat had organised the games, and everyone was buying tickets.
Come on, Amy.
Thank
me,
you.
Morgan wanted to play the Skittle Cans game.
Oh, 3 balls per ticket. Roll up, and try your luck.
3 balls, please, Rat.
Not a problem, Morgan. Now, knock down the Skittle Cans and win a wonderful prize. Oh, missed. That's 1. Oh, missed again. That's 2. Last try, Morgan.
Oh, dear. Missed again. Sorry, Rat.
Oh, better luck next time, Morgan. Oh.
The Bananas in Pyjamas were playing Ring the Bell.
Now, you take this hammer and hit as hard as you can. If the mouse runs up the clock and rings the bell, you win a prize. Only 1 ticket for 3 hits.
You go first, B2.
Oh, all right, B1. Thank you, Rat.
Oh, no, thank you. Only halfway.
You have a try, B1. I'll hold it steady.
Sorry, B2.
No harm done, B1. But the mouse still didn't ring the bell.
Last chance to win a prize.
Let's do it together, B2.
Good idea, B1. 1, 2, 3.
Nearly.
Yes.
Nearly. Oh, no bell, no prize. Better luck next time.
Lulu was playing the Lucky Dip.
Roll up, roll up. Somewhere in the Lucky Dip is a wonderful prize. Only 1 ticket to look for. Oh, thanking you. And you have 5 seconds to look for a prize, starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Oh, better luck next time, Lulu.
So nobody had won a prize.
That's funny, B1. This mouse's tail is tied on at the bottom.
He can't possibly ring the bell, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's fixing time. Try it now, B2. Hooray! Let's go and get our prize, B2.
Are you sure there are prizes in here, Rat?
Oh, Lulu, trust me, I'm a rat.
All right, then. You find one.
Oh, it's, all right, I admit it. There's no prize in the Lucky Dip.
You tricked us!
You tricked us too, Rat!
And me. These Skittles are all stuck together, so no one could knock them over.
Oh, I had to trick you. I couldn't let anyone win.
Why not?
Because I forgot to get any prizes.
But that's not fair, Rat. You promised there would be prizes.
Well, there isn't, so there. But if you like, you can all play the fair games for the rest of the afternoon.
And you'll pick up all the Skittles for us?
Oh, all right.
And they had a great time playing the games. While the Rat in the Hat picked up the Skittle Cans.
Cheese and whiskers.
Stand back, stand
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. on Tuesdays they all try to catch them on the way.
The Rat in a Hat had to go out for the day to visit his grandmother, and the Bananas in Pyjamas were looking after his shop while he was away.
Are you sure we'll be all right, Rat?
Oh, of course, me too. Now, everything you need is in the boxes on the shelves. The Ratmobile is outside. Bye! I'm off to eat cream cakes at Grandma's.
Bye, Rat.
Bye, Rat.
The Bananas liked being shopkeepers. They had a little practice before any customers arrived.
Good morning, madam. Can I help you?
Thanking you.
Have a nice day.
Then Lulu came in to do her shopping.
Hi. Bananas!
Good morning, madam.
How can we help you this morning, madam?
Well, I need lots of things. Do you think if I left you this shopping list, you could deliver them to our house?
Not a problem.
We'll deliver them in the Ratmobile.
That would be fantastic. Thank you, Bananas. You're very good shopkeepers.
Thank you, madam.
Have a nice day.
But the Bananas weren't very good at reading shopping lists.
Sew up. What's sew up, B2?
I think that could be soup, B1.
Or it could be soap, B2.
It could be soap, B1.
But the Bananas couldn't find soup or soap.
Oh, maybe it's in that box up there, B1.
Up there.
When they'd found all the things on Lulu's list, the Bananas took the shopping outside to the Ratmobile.
I'm too squashed on this side, B1.
There's no room for two in this car, B2.
Oh, you better drive and I'll follow on behind, B1.
Right. Uh-oh.
What now, B1?
I don't know how to drive, B2.
Oh, here. Oh, here. Oh.
What?
I don't know how to drive either, B1. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's pushing time.
The Bananas were very tired by the time they'd pushed the Ratmobile all the way to the Teddy's house.
Bananas, whatever are you doing?
Oh, we're delivering your shopping, Lulu.
Oh, this isn't my shopping.
It
Isn't?
This wasn't on my shopping list.
Yes, it was. It's the nicest flower in our shop.
Oh, but it's the wrong sort of flour.
Huh?
I need flour for cooking.
Oh.
What's this?
It's a map. You said you wanted a map.
I wanted a mop for cleaning the floor.
Uh-oh.
And I needed the flour to bake my cake right now. What has happened here?
Well, we had a bit of trouble finding things, Lulu.
Here's your flour, Lulu.
Thank you, but don't you think you better clean up this
yes,
mess?
don't
It
worry.
needs organizing.
Bye-bye, Lulu.
Bye.
The Bananas thought and thought. Then they had a really good idea.
Ah!
They organised the shop with a picture on every box to show what was inside. And when the Rat came back from his grandma's house with his basket full of goodies,
Oh, what a good idea to label everything with pictures. Oh, thank you, Bananas.
Not a problem.
Have a nice day.
Good afternoon,
Hello,
Bananas.
Morgan.
Oh, hello, Morgan. What can I do for you?
Can I have some flour, please? Lulu's baking a cake and she needs some more flour again.
Oh, flour. Not a problem. Oh, here it is. Right. Here we are, Morgan. Oh, cheese and whiskers. Those Bananas in Pyjamas. Look at that, Morgan. They put a flower in the basket. Oh, Morgan, let me show you what I got from Grandma's. Yummy cakes in this basket. And you know, Morgan, she even picked some onions for me. And they are scrumptious.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
Morgan had been working all afternoon making a delicious mushroom soup for the Teddy's dinner.
Amy, Lulu, dinner's ready.
Oh,
My mushroom soup smells delicious.
I'm sorry, Morgan, but we were going to take you out to dinner tonight for a surprise.
Out to dinner? Where?
there's a new cafe open and we want to see what the food's like. Oh.
I'm sorry, Morgan, but we can eat your mushroom soup tomorrow night.
Yes!
Well, all right.
Yay!
But if this cafe isn't any good, I'm coming straight back to eat my delicious mushroom soup.
The new cafe was outside the Rat in a Hat's shop, and the Rat in a Hat was the waiter.
Oh, good evening, sir and madams.
Good evening, Rat. A table for 3, please.
Oh, not a problem. If sir and madams would just follow me.
He called us madam.
Oh, he's very good. He called out sir.
I hope they have mushroom soup.
Thank you, Rat.
Why, thank you, madam.
I hope this is a good cafe.
Oh, Amy, trust me, I'm a rat.
Isn't this exciting?
Yes. Very exciting.
We've never eaten in a real cafe before.
Candles.
Candles. Oh. Oh, isn't this nice, B1?
Very, very nice, B2.
Oh.
And last but not least, music.
Excuse me, Rat.
Oh, yes, madam. Is everything all right?
Yes, thank you, waiter. Quite all right. But we'd like to order some food now.
Oh, yes. Food?
Yes, we're very hungry.
So are we. We haven't eaten all day.
And we've already been waiting for a long time.
You want food?
Yes, please.
Mushroom soup.
You want food now?
Oh, yes, please. Mushroom soup now.
Mushroom soup now. Ooh, I'll see what I can do.
But the Rat in a Hat didn't come back with mushroom soup or any other food.
I wonder what's happened to him, B1.
Maybe we ought to go and have a look, B2.
Here.
I just want you to go away.
But we want to get some food.
I know you do.
Are you crying, Rat?
Of course I'm crying. Well, you'd cry too if you'd set up a cafe and got chairs and tables and napkins and candles and music and forgotten to make any food.
Oh, no. That Rat in a Hat.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's fixing time.
Yes.
You sit down here, Rat.
And we'll take care of you.
There's no need for you all to make fun of me. I said I was sorry.
Food's ready.
Mushroom soup.
And munchy honey cakes.
And yellow jelly.
Actually, I prefer green jelly.
Green jelly?
Oh, but I'm sure this is nice too.
In fact, they all agreed that Cafe Rat served the best food in the whole of Cuddles Avenue.
Somebody might miss it. It won't be me.
You want to sit? I'll press 4. Okay.
jelly. We've just been...
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One morning when the Bananas walked into Rat in a Hat's shop,
My goodness, B1. Isn't that you?
Well, it certainly looks like me, B2, and that one looks just like you.
Oh, Bananas! I see you're admiring my new sporting display. Aren't they splendid?
But they look just like us.
Of course, Bananas.
Oh, but why?
Oh, I thought I'd use store dummies to display my new sporting goods. See?
Well, that's a good idea, B2.
Very, very good idea, B1.
Well, even if I do say so myself. Now, what can I get you, Bananas?
then when the Bananas were leaving Rat in a Hat's shop,
Rat's store dummies do look a lot like us, B1.
They certainly do, B2.
You thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's trick time.
the Bananas waited until Rat went out to the back of his shop.
Quick, B1, before Rat comes back.
Right, there. That should do it.
Rat, I'm a rat, I'm a busy, busy rat.
B1, here he comes.
Rat, I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a busy, busy rat. Bum, bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, bum. Oh, da-dum, da-dum. Oh, that's funny. For a moment, I almost thought my store dummy Bananas were the real ones. Now, let me see what I was doing. Now, I've taken the boxes out to the back. And now I have to tidy the counter. That's funny. I could have sworn. No, that's impossible. Store dummies can't move. They've moved. Steady on, Rat. Get a hold of yourself. Dummies can't move. Everyone knows that. Oh, yes, indeed. Just my silly imagination. Now, I've moved the boxes and I've tidied up the counter. Now, what else needs doing? I just imagined that. I just imagined somebody tapped me on the shoulder, and if I just ignore it, it'll go away. Now, I've moved the boxes, I've tidied the counter.
Hello, Rat.
They've come alive! The store dummies have come alive!
What are you talking about, Rat?
Oh, Lulu, my dummy Bananas, in there, they've come alive.
Store dummies alive? Oh, honestly, Rat.
Oh, it's true, they were moving.
Moving?
Oh, and speaking.
Oh, Rat. Honestly.
Well, see for yourself.
Not a problem, Rat.
Quick, B1, here they come.
Let's see. Well, these store dummies look pretty lifeless to me, Rat.
But they were moving, Lulu.
Are you sure?
Oh, but I saw them.
Oh,
Hello, Lulu. Hello, Rat. Tricked you.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. You tricked me.
Did you like that one, Lulu? Can you tell which one's the real one?
You know me, too. I really thought that I saw
So Rat in a Hat, Lulu and the Bananas played with the store dummy Bananas all afternoon.
Oh, big hit me.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. to catch them unawares.
Amy had made herself a new scary mask.
Ooh, there, that'll do it. Oh, this mask is going to make me look really scary.
And it did. The mask was so scary that when Amy looked in the mirror,
Amy, what's the matter?
Morgan's coming. I'll give him a really big scare too.
Are you all right, Amy?
Boom!
Monster! Oh, Amy, I thought something was wrong.
Morgan, I scared you.
Yes, you did. But can I have a go at the mask?
Oh, I want to scare Lulu first.
Oh.
Come on.
I'm not sure if that's a good idea.
Lulu had spent all morning making munchy honey cakes for the teddies.
Amy! Morgan! Come and get some morning tea! A monster! Oh, Amy, it's only you!
I scared you, Lulu.
You made me drip my cakes!
Oh, no, I was looking forward to eating those.
You shouldn't scare people when they're not expecting it, Amy.
Well, if they are expecting it, how can I scare them, Lulu?
Can I have a go of the mask now, Amy?
No.
I want to see what it looks like on me.
Not yet, Morgan. I want to scare the bananas first.
Amy went round to the bananas' house to scare the bananas. But they saw her coming.
Ugh! There's a monster at the door, B1.
A monster wearing Amy's skirt, B2.
Yoo-hoo! Bananas!
A monster using Amy's voice.
It is Amy, B2. She's trying to scare us.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's trick time.
The bananas in pyjamas went round to the teddies' house. And Lulu and Morgan helped the bananas make some scary masks of their own.
I'm giving my one long, scary hair.
I'm giving mine a long, scary nose.
Oh!
Scary.
Let's see what they look like.
A good idea, B2.
There! Now you can go and scare Amy!
Oh, yes!
Amy was still at the bananas' back door, practicing her scaring.
And boom!
But she was getting tired of waiting for them to come home.
Oh, it's no good. The bananas must be away for a very long time.
But the bananas had sneaked into their house through the front door.
Home sweet home again, B2.
The bananas are back. Now I'll give them a really big scare.
Amy was scared, B1.
Very, very scared, B2.
Very, very
scared.
We heard you from next door, Amy.
Oh, that's not fair. You shouldn't scare people who aren't expecting it.
Well, now you know how it feels, Amy. That's how we felt when you scared us.
Yeah.
Oh, I suppose so.
But now we've all got masks so we can all play scarings together.
And the bananas and the teddies scared each other over and over again for the rest of the afternoon.